And, man, these guys have been at it for a while. They are really struggling to get this ski back down here. And they've kind of got it going in the right direction now. Let's see if you can get it brought all the way back around. It's a short wheelbase trailer, so they should be able to... Oh, no! We're going to be way off again. It is going to be a struggle down here today for this crew. That is for sure. They are on about minute 7 already on trying to get this done. But there we go. He's got the right angle now. Coming back. No, he turned it a little too early. And now he's heading toward the trees. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I am your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting Boynton. And man, he might be able to pull it off here. Here we go, bro. You're getting it about right. He's going to have to get that trailer moving the right way, though. And we're looking good. Hard back right, bro. Might be able to do a little Boynton crab walk on the way back down. Or the Boynton wobble, as we like to call it here. And we're making some progress now. We are actually on the dock. Well, on the ramp. Ooh, but it's going to be close, bro. You've got yourself pigeonholed into a little corner, though. Now he's got nowhere to turn, and the ski's going the wrong way, but he can't bring it back the other way because he's against the dock. Oh, you're going to have to move yourself a little further over than that, too, I think, bro. The ski's still the wrong direction. And right there, you're going to hit the dock. And, yeah, there's just not enough space, bro. You're going to have to pull forward. I know that's a tough one for them because they've gotten it this far down, and they're, like, thinking it's a half win. But, no, bro, you got to keep going. You've got to get this straight before you can keep coming back. I mean, you've gotten yourself a little more room now, but, like, we're just not even... Oh. It can be frustrating to watch sometimes. But I say that, you got to remind yourself that you got to put yourself in their shoes, too. I mean, if we get frustrated and find ourselves yelling at the screen, I can't imagine what's going on inside that truck. Man, very close to hitting the dock again. Oh, it's tough because watching from this angle, I can... Oh, we're going to hit the dock one more time. Watching from this angle, you can kind of see that they're just off, and they're not getting it straight enough. You're not far enough to the right, bro. You're in a tough spot. Keep going forward. No. And the worst part's we're kind of going the wrong direction, and it's getting worse now. What's the old definition of insanity? Oh, man. Bro, you're gonna have to pull out. Maybe this guy will give him some tips over here. Here we go. Now we've got some room to work with. And... Oh, no, bro. Oh, come on. So close. We'd set it up the right way. Oh, man. Now we really got to be careful. We're going the wrong way with this thing. Oh, just straighten the trailer out, bro. If he keeps it right where it's at now, it might be fine. I mean, they've fallen in the little hole we have over here. No, don't. He was on the right pace. They were on the right track. Keep it going, bro. You'll be all right. And there we go. The rear of the ski's floating. You can get this off from here, bro. Put it in park. Leave it. Call it a day. When things are ready, you just let it roll, bro. This ski's floating. He can probably get it off this trailer now and finally be able to call this a day. And here we go. They're pulling it off. Oh, no, bro. You're still on the trailer. Look out. Here we go. I mean... There's a little luck involved right there because it rolled off before they got onto the ramp. If it had hung on that trailer a little more, this would be a different scenario. And here comes old Cap. We haven't seen him in a little while down here at Boynton. One of our favorite captains comes down here and loads in a Honda Accord, but drives this beautiful vessel right here, fully decked out. Full captain's gear, everything. Really, really neat ride. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think the top speed of this thing is? I mean, I've never really seen them have it up on power, but I gotta imagine it's not fast. I mean, I gotta imagine 8, 9 knots, somewhere in that range. It's probably, and I might even be being generous there. And emergency crews have shown up down here. We've got the sirens on, so obviously they're going to a situation. I mean, because we're not even stopping. There's somebody on this ramp, and they're just coming down anyway. So our guy's untying, and is going to back his vessel up so these guys can kind of get it set up to roll. And I find it interesting, we've got our guy here. Oh, he goes for the toss. That almost missed. That was close to that bag taking a swim. I can hear other sirens in the background as well, so it sounds like we definitely have something going on. Cap on the vessel's trying to get the vessel over, so I'm assuming this guy can get on. But they're working in tight quarters. I don't know why he doesn't just pull over to the other dock. That might have been easier. But are all three of them getting on? I'm a little confused by this one. There's only 3 of them that came in the truck. Are they just going to leave the truck on the ramp? Is that the normal protocol for this situation? I mean, it looks like it. I guess so. They're gone. And our crew's backing down. And it looks like we have one of my favorites, the old floating trailer trick, which always makes for some interesting loads, until we can get a little weight on it and get the trailer pushed down. So our guy who's driving the truck's coming back down. It looks like he's going to be the one to try and captain this boat onto the trailer as well.
I got it, Tim. Jesus.
And that's another crew pulling in right in front of us here, and it sounds like tensions are already a little high before they hit the dock. And our cap's got this trailer all kinds of wonky as he's trying to get it on. And there we go, gets a little weight on it. It kind of levels back out. The guide poles appear to be about the same height now, and then he's going to push it forward. So I think he'll be all right on that one. This is still one I've been blessed never to experience as personally loading a boat. Every trailer I've ever owned, for whatever reason, just sinks and stays there. And here we can see old Timmy Boy and crew coming into the screen. And good job, Cap. I mean, having the floating trailer, he landed it pretty solid, it appears. So our crew here is trying to decide which dock they want to go to. But deciding pretty quickly they're going to move on from here. And speaking of moving on, we're going to move on as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.